The Jag's clean. For the first time since I have owned the car, I have given it a proper clean and polish and wax. And I think you'll agree, it looks really, really good. The only problem with cleaning obviously is it highlights all the imperfections, which is a bit annoying. And I found some more bits that need attention. There's a little bit of rust there. And the bit that that's been replaced and not finished properly, it's made that stand out a bit more. You can see the sparkles in the paint. It looks so nice. It's so smooth. So let me show you what I've done. Alright, so this probably is totally the wrong way of doing this, I might add. So if anyone disagrees with the way I've done it, that's fine. I'm not too bothered. So this is a clay mitt, I think it's called. And I've used these before, and it's like a clay bar. It's got like the clay bar kind of stuff. It's not really clay, but some kind of has the same effect on one side and a sponge on the other. And the idea is, like, what I did was wash the car. You're supposed to have a proper spray you use with this, which I didn't have, but I washed the car and then go around with it, taking all the little bits off, and then I washed it again. I'll do that in a minute. Now, what not to do is, what you're supposed to do is every now and then wash it off, rinse it off. I didn't do that at first, and if you can see, there's a line up there, and there's a line, stand over here, I think you might see it better. There's a line across there. Don't know if that's coming out on the camera or not. You can't feel it with your nail, so it's not too bad. And there's also some swells. Polishes so well, it doesn't come out on the camera. There are some swells around there as well. I'll be able to polish them out again, because I haven't got time at the moment. So that was stage one. Then I'll get rid of that a moment. Right, stage two. I had this smart wax pack that I think I bought just after I bought the car, actually, probably a couple of years ago, and I have never ever used it until today. So in the box you get a microfiber cloth, a wash thingy, some car wash, a tyre dressing, which I haven't used yet, some leather cleaner I haven't used yet, the wax that I use, which smells really, really nice, and then this spray, sorry, that's polish, and then, it does say wax on it, polish and wax, and then this spray wax stuff, which I used afterwards, and then there is some wheel wax there as well, which I also haven't used. And to be honest, I've used a lot of polishes in the past. I've always really liked Maguire's, but this stuff is really, really good. Really pleased with it. And I think that box was like a tenner. It's 10 or 15 pounds. You can tell if I do that, you can hear there are some still little imperfections in the paint, but certainly along here, if I show you, you can hear there's nothing there. And compared to the last video I showed you with this, that was really bad. So yeah, really happy with how that's come out. So I think the next thing I'm gonna tackle will probably be all this rust here, because no, that is a hole. Okay, that's gonna need welding. So yeah, tackle that and the wheel arch down there, and then I can tackle the other side that we've already started. So, and then I've also got the interior to do. But yeah, really happy with that, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.